My problem kasi, Sir Ronald, is, again, you served during that administration. I'm sure you can give a better insider view. Ako, during my younger years, the defining moment was the PDAF scandal, which, by the way, was only around, 300 million compared to 9 billion scandals now we'll discuss relatively. And then yung time na yan, galit na galit ang tao. Talagang revolution na to, Luneta, 1 million march, although 70,000 lang naman daw dumalo. I was there. The reason I'm asking about this, Sir Ronald, 2025 niya, moral outrage pa rin tayo and name and shame. Ano to, parang every 5 years mag-name and shame lang tayo pero wala naman nangyari. Kasi sa may check, isa sa mga sangkot doon sa PDAF, siya yung pinakabibo sa hearing kahapon. Inaaway na lahat ng mga ganun.
Yes,
nakakadiri daw ang corruption.
Pero nung panahon na yan, una, natigil yung pork barrel. No? Of course, nag-mutate siya into a different form. Pero noon, na-declare siyang illegal. No? Ikalawa, may nakulong. Dating Senate President, 2 senador, no? At may iba pang mga nakasuhan ng mga kongresista in relation dyan. Ibig sabihin may nangyari. May nangyari.